Hello everybody and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I have the new e.l.f. Opposites Attract palette, which consists of 6, 12, 18 new shades, and this is, I believe, one of my first e.l.f. palettes ever bought. I could be wrong. Don't quote me or attack me if I am. It came in this sleeve right here, see-through sleeve. This says, this 18 eyeshadow palette contains 9 warm toned and 9 cool toned shades with neutral and vibrant pops of color to achieve subtle or bold looks. The luxe formula is smooth, creamy, blendable, and ultra pigmented. Create artistry level or everyday looks effortlessly with this perfectly arranged palette designed to inspire you. It's hard to read because it's see-through, so like the words are kind of hard to read for me. Directions: apply a light shade all over the eyelid with an eyeshadow and apply medium. Yeah, I don't need directions on an eyeshadow palette. Good lord, there's a problem if I do. So anyways, this palette is the first of the kind that I have seen e.l.f. make. They usually make like a long palette with the shades going like this. I have never really been into a lot of e.l.f., but I've never been against it either. So here are the swatches. So this is the top row. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, which is these 6 right here. This one is perfect all over shade, and then here is the rest on the bottom. The swatches came out phenomenal. I have nothing against e.l.f. It's just I've never like been pulled or swayed in their way, but they have really been moving up. I'll tell you, they've definitely been joining the game of they have like a whole selection. I have one of their primers actually that I think is phenomenal. It is e.l.f. Beauty Shield SPF 50. I mean, that is just a great SPF. I also use other SPF underneath, but anyways, let's jump in. And I really wanted to do this on camera because it is a first impression, mind you, but I will come on and do an updated review. Usually during my monthly review, I will I go through my videos and go through what I have reviewed and touch base on if I still feel that way or not. So I am putting the color Fresh. I will do one eye on camera and one eye off. I just get my brows done. Thank God, they were all over the place. So this is the color Fresh right here. It's perfect for all over the lid. And this palette retails for $14, which, what a phenomenal price. I think it's amazing that they really added on and upped their game. Okay, now I'm going to go in with, there are so many colors. This is such inspirational. I love it when you see a palette and you can see inspiration in it. This is the color Saucy. It is a beautiful kind of camel orangey looking shade. I'm going to put that in the crease. Just like Wet n Wild, they're really, really joining the game. And I like that they're keeping their price point at a minimum so far. Truly appreciate that. This is a beautiful color. Definitely has, that camel color, but I see some orange as well. Just building that up. It's a gorgeous color. Love it. Not bad. By the way, I am using my Morphe times Jaclyn Hill brush set. I got the, I think it's the Smoky Eye set, and now I'm moving to my Delium Tools crease brush. I'm going to go in with Happy right here. Just going to dive into all these yellows. This is like a mustard yellow. And I'm going to put that in the crease as well. It's not going to carry it as high up as the other one. This palette, to me, I think could be fall looking. I think it could be spring. It has the beautiful peaches in here. Purples, it goes smoky eye. I love it. It's a very all over the place palette, and I love that. Okay, now I'm gonna take one for the corner. I'm gonna take this one called Smooth, and I'm going to place it in the corner of my eye. I did cut my crease, by the way. Trying to just kind of pat that down a little bit. Maybe I'll need a different brush here. Just trying to bring it out, kind of like smoke it out a little bit, that's all. It's just not cooperating. Okay, now, that's okay, I guess. Okay, now I'm gonna go on my lid with Clever. This looks like a gorgeous kind of a grayish purple glittery look. Ooh, now that is beautiful. Wow. I did not wet my brush. I did cut the crease. That is stunning. Wow, I like that a lot. Some fallout. So far just the shimmer shade really, well the smoky shade a little bit too, but again that is why I wait for my concealer after I film. But what a gorgeous lid color. Okay, now I'm going to go on my brow bone with Low Key right here. This has like shifts of color going through it. I can tell just by when I dip my hand. If you look, you can see like pink and a little bit of purple going through. So I'm gonna pop that right up here. Don't mind that noise. Some gardeners. Good timing, huh? Gorgeous, beautiful shade. Okay, so I cleaned up under my eye, did my concealer. Now we are ready to go place a color or two under my eye. I'm gonna use the color Wise, which is like a very deep emerald green, gorgeous. Definitely caught my eye. I am using the Morphe times Jaclyn Hill JH43 brush. These brushes are very good. They actually impressed me. I don't know why I had doubts about them. Morphe brushes are pretty darn good for the money you spend. They're very fairly priced, I think. And so yeah, I'm enjoying them quite a bit. I have quite a few Morphe brushes that I absolutely love. They may not last as long as the higher end ones, but they are totally worth it. I'll just do this like quickly underneath. And I am going all the way across with this one. This is a beautiful color. Okay. Now I'm going to do the inner corner of my eye. And I think I'm going to probably go I'm debatable here. Like, I'm not sure what color I'm gonna use. Okay, so I'm gonna go in and use bold. Now, I know it's a darker color. You should put a lighter color in your inner eye, but I am going to be different today. And I'm actually going to carry it up a bit. So it's in the inner corner of my eye, but I do need my other brush for this part that I'm gonna do. I'm gonna carry it up in the crease a little bit. I tried this the other day. I think I was wearing like a dark green there, or no, it was blue. It was like a teal blue, and everybody just loved it. It was great. So I'm gonna try it again today. I think that looks pretty doggone good. Not bad. So I carried it up just in the crease, just like a quarter of the way. Okay everybody, welcome back. So this is the finished look using the e.l.f. Opposites Attract palette, and I have to say that this is really a mind-blowing palette. I am super shocked that these shadows went on so effortlessly that it just amazed me. It really amazed me. They blended phenomenally, and I think the color turned out, or the look turned out beautifully. I have had high-end palettes that I couldn't get for the life of me to work, but this palette works, and for 14 bucks I have to give this A++. I am going to be reaching for this. I think that it is an all-around gorgeous palette, you guys. I highly recommend picking this up. I will absolutely try more e.l.f. products. I have nothing against e.l.f. It's just I've never really been drawn to them. So if there's anything that you've used or are using from e.l.f. and you highly recommend, let me know in the comments down below. And I give this palette 2 thumbs up, you guys. Phenomenal, gorgeous, love it. Anyways, that is it for my review. I hope you enjoyed this. If you did, give me a thumbs up, and I will see you soon. Bye.